Hey everyone, Sony Electronics has unveiled the Alpha 1 Mark II, a groundbreaking full-frame mirrorless camera that builds upon the success of its 2021 predecessor, the Alpha 1. Designed to redefine hybrid photography and videography, this flagship model blends unprecedented speed, high-resolution imaging, and advanced AI features. With its release, Sony aims to meet the demands of professional photographers and videographers, working in fields such as commercial photography, wildlife, sports, and photojournalism. The Alpha 1 Mark II retains the core elements that made the original Alpha 1 a standout, while introducing enhancements based on feedback from the Alpha series community. According to Yang Cheng, Sony Electronics Vice President of Imaging Solutions, the camera is designed to satisfy the needs of experts in their field and represents Sony's most dependable and well-balanced hybrid camera to date. At the heart of the Alpha 1 Mark II is a combination of a 50.1 megapixels Exmor RS CMOS sensor, the Bion's XR processor, and a dedicated AI processing unit. This trio delivers exceptional dynamic range and detail for both stills and video, while significantly advancing subject detection capabilities. The AI-powered system features automatic subject recognition and improved posture estimation, allowing the camera to track human movements with remarkable accuracy. The Alpha 1 Mark II excels in performance, with the ability to perform 120 autofocus and auto exposure computations per second, and to shoot blackout-free at up to 30 frames per second. These capabilities make it an excellent choice for capturing fast-paced action in wildlife and sports photography. New tools such as the continuous shooting speed boost and pre-capture functionality further enhance its capacity to freeze fleeting moments with precision. Video quality has been elevated with features such as auto-framing and breathing compensation, enabling professional-grade footage. The Alpha 1 Mark II can record 8K video at 30 frames per second or 4K video at up to 120 frames per second in 10-bit 4 to 2:2 color, offering filmmakers remarkable versatility. A newly introduced dynamic active mode enhances stability, ensuring smoother video recording across various conditions. The camera's 8.5-stop optical stabilization mechanism reduces the effects of rolling shutter and blur, while new algorithms improve image clarity in challenging lighting conditions, particularly in the mid to high ISO ranges. Sony has also prioritized connectivity and workflow optimization in the Alpha 1 Mark II. The camera supports high-speed file transfers over LAN or 5G connections, making it easy for professionals to deliver content quickly. Integration with cloud services like Adobe Lightroom enhances post-production efficiency, while compatibility with Sony's camera authenticity solution provides protection against image tampering, a valuable feature for journalists and media professionals. The Alpha 1 Mark II introduces ergonomic refinements, including a 4-axis multi-angle LCD, a new custom button, and a revised grip for better handling. Weighing just 743 grams, it balances portability and durability, catering to professionals on the move. Sustainability is also a key consideration, with eco-friendly packaging made from bamboo, sugarcane, and recycled paper. Sony has included thoughtful accessories such as a padded eyepiece cup for improved vision and a dual battery charger for extended usage. The Alpha 1 Mark II will be available for purchase in December 2024 with a retail price of $6,499. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.